Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore voicemail drops with OpenPhone for investors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the OpenPhone website. Log in to your OpenPhone account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the voicemail section in the main dashboard. Click on the voicemail tab to access your voicemail settings. Locate the voicemail drops feature within the voicemail settings. Select Create New Drop to start the process of restoring your voicemail message. Record your voicemail drop by clicking the Record button. Speak clearly and concisely, ensuring your message is professional and informative. Once you finish recording, click the Stop button to end the recording session. Listen to your recording by clicking the Playback button. If you're satisfied with the recording, select Save to keep. You can also choose to edit or re-record if necessary. After saving your voicemail drop, return to the voicemail section. Here, you will see your newly created voicemail drop listed. To restore or use it, select the voicemail drop you wish to use. Follow prompts to confirm the restoration of your voicemail drop. Your voicemail drop is now restored and ready for use. Test it by calling your OpenPhone number to ensure it plays correctly. Review your settings and make any adjustments as needed. Now you have successfully restored your voicemail drops with OpenPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.